Morning children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So children, as we have done addition and you have done some word problems and the sums solved on addition. So today we are going to learn a new topic, that is subtraction. What is this? Subtraction. Subtraction means children taking away, okay? From total, when we take out something, that is called subtraction. And addition means, I have told you, means adding something, that is called addition. But subtraction means from total, if we take out, it becomes subtraction. Okay? And this is the sign of subtraction, means minus. We can say minus also, we can say subtraction also, we can say give away also. Okay? So this is the sign of subtraction and we can say minus also. Okay? So let's start. So children, so these are the some different types of sums, which is all sums are in subtraction only. Okay, so like this is 3 balls over here. If I have children 3 balls, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is my total. Okay, so I am going to write in my first box 3. Okay, now my friend told me, okay, give me 1 ball. So I gave this 1 ball to my friend. So I will cut it because I have gave this 1 ball to my friend. So how many I gave to my friend? 1. How many I gave? 1. So now how many balls left with me? 1, 2. 1, 2. So I am going to write 2 over here. So like this I have made a subtraction, means from total I have removed 1. So the answer is 2. Okay. So this is called subtraction, give away, or minus we can say. Okay. So this is called subtraction. One more sums we are going to do. Now how many trees are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 trees are there, children. So total are 4, and if we remove 3 trees, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if we want to remove 3 trees from total, okay, in addition what we do, we used to draw balls for both the numbers, but इसमें ऐसा नहीं करना है, you have to remove from the total. Okay, so I have to remove 3 trees over there, so I have written 3 we have to remove. So how many are left? 4. You can do on the fingers also. 4 trees. If I remove 3, 1, 2, 3. So how many left? 1. So I am going to write 1 over here. Okay, children? So this is called subtraction. Okay. So you will be having this kind of sums also, children. Like 5 minus 3. This is minus sign. So you have to draw 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now they are saying you have to cut 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So how many balls are remaining? 2. So you have to write 2. Okay. So simple na children. From 5 you can do on fingers also. From total 5 you have to remove 3. 1, 2, 3. How many remain? 2 is remaining. So I am going to write 2 over here. Okay. Okay. Now children, 0 means 1. Okay, 1 ball. From 1 ball, I have to remove 0. Now 0 means nothing, na? 0 doesn't have any value. So 0 means no cutting anything. So I am not going to cut anything. So 1, so answer will be 1. If they are saying you have to cut 0, no cutting anything, because 0 doesn't have any value. Okay. Okay. You will be having, children, 2-digit number also. I have taught you tens and unit also. So whenever you start, you have to start from unit place. Okay. So first you have to do from here. 4, 2. These sums you have to do on your finger. 4, remove 2. 2. How many left? 1, 2. Answer is 2. Okay, children. Now 2 and 1. 2, remove 1. So 1. So answer is 12. Okay, like this you have to do. 24 minus 12. So answer is 12. Okay. This you have to do on your finger. Okay. Now this 5. So you have to start from here. 5. Okay. Remove 3. 1, 2, 3. How many left? 2. Okay. Now 2 and 2. If I have 2, you have to remove 2. So 0. So answer is 0. Okay children, like this we have to solve this sums. Okay, now we will be having children word problems. So you have to read the question and write the number, and then you have to do the subtraction. If you are not able to read, tell your mama and dada to read and give you. Dash ball take away 2 is equal to. Now means children, first you have to write the total. How many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am going to write 5 balls. I have total 5 balls. Okay. I have 5 balls. Take away 2. Take away means you have to give away 2. So I have taken away 2 balls. Is equal to means how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3. 3 is remaining. 3 balls are remaining. So we have to write 5 minus, I have cut 2. How many remaining? 3. Like this you have to do your word problem. It's very simple. Just the sentence are added in that. Okay. Now this one. Ruhi had 4 ice cream. Now Ruhi had 4 ice cream. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in first box you have to write 4. She ate 1. Now she ate 1. So you have to cut 1. I have cut 1. So 1 I have to cut. Now how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3. So how many left you have to say? How many left? So you are going to say 3 ice creams are left. Okay. So like this you have to do the word problem. Whenever you do the word problem, you have to underline the number. So it will be visible for you. Okay. So children, this was the topic of subtraction. Like this you have to complete your all the worksheets. Means cutting the balls, and you have to find out the answer. Okay. So please children, I will be sending the worksheets. You do at home and practice. Okay. Till then, bye. And I hope you like this topic. Bye children.